The YCharts universe is filled with tens of thousands of individual companies and growing. Narrowing that universe is quite easy using the stock screener. If you don't know where to start, YCharts' stock screener provides several pre-built templates that you can choose from to kickstart your investment research. Now let's say you'd like to generate a list of companies in the tech sector you think might be a little undervalued and they've had good price returns over the last few years. Using the stock screener, first narrow the criteria down to just the technology sector. Next, add a valuation metric such as PE ratio. You can add an ideal target range such as 25 to 35. This whittles the universe down even more. Then, let's see long-term performances of the remaining companies using a metric such as 5-year price returns. Furthermore, the rank feature can be used to show best of the best, in this case, checking out the top 10 of the remaining stocks based on 5-year price returns. This is to say, this is an established company that has had solid success in the past, and maybe something I'd like to see in my portfolio. Here we now have a manageable list of 10 companies, all names that might be deserving of a spot in my example portfolio based on these metrics. You can save your results to a watch list for later. You can also save screens, so rather than building them all over again each time, navigate to your saved screen library and revisit them later. Alerts can also be activated. By doing so, you'll get an email alert whenever a company exits or enters the criteria of a screen, ensuring you stay in the know about new opportunities. Finally, this Share tab allows you to share screens with other YCharts users, fostering collaboration within your company. The YCharts stock screener is a great, simple, yet powerful way to narrow our universe of tens of thousands of individual stocks into a manageable list that fits your criteria.